Hello everyone, I'm Wenxi. Next, I will present our physical prototype. This is the main body of our cat house. The top is the cat cave, and the base below is a toy for the cat to wear its pass on. There are a cat teaser stick and lancer pointer attached with the servo and fixed to the cat house. This is a pressure sensor and a heating pad. When the cat jumps in, the pressure sensor will sense it and the heating pad will start to run. This is a PR sensor to tell the owner that the cat is approaching the cat house. And then here is our breadboard. We have added external power for the servo to operate. This is sound sensor that detects the sound of a cat. This is remote control we made, which we designed as a cat. This has the microphone on it, two LED lights. There are also two buttons here. They were meant to be in here, but we were worried that the cable would break. When the sound sensor in the cat house detects a cat calling, the remote control will vibrate. Here is the vibration motor. This is our target for this project. He's my best friend. His name is Hu, and the part about interacting with the cat is shown by him.